Weekend roundup na at ito ang mga pinag-uusapan buong linggo. This is Click It, Click Entertainment Today. Usap-usapan ang breakup ni comedy concert queen Ai de las Alas sa kanyang husband of 10 years na si Gerald Sibayan. Pero mas maingay ang pagsawsaw umano ng girlfriend ni Olympic medalist Carlos Yulo na si Chloe San Jose sa issue. In a private friends-only post, nireshare daw ni Chloe ang isang video content with Ai's unsolicited advice for her na pakisamahan ng maayos ang ina ni Kaloy, lalo pat girlfriend pa lang ito at hindi pa asawa. She wrote over in a caption saying, "Back to you mamang, hindi para pagtawanan ang sitwasyon mo pero ang ginagawa mo sa iba ay babalik sa'yo ng 10 times. It's just the universe's law." Nakarating sa anak ni Ai na si Sofia de las Alas ang ginawa ni Chloe kaya't pinadalhan niya ito ng mensahe saying, "I-public mo naman ang post mo regarding my mom kung matapang ka talaga. Haha, girlfriend ka lang naman talaga so why do you find that offensive? LOL, wag lang kita makita sa Manila baka ako naman ang magdala sa'yo ng karma, girl." Nagkagulo rin ang netizens this week sa lengthy Facebook post ng aktor na si Ken Chan tungkol sa kasong syndicated estafa na isinampa laban sa kanya. Ito ang unang pagkakataong nagsalita si Ken sa issue. Parts of his statement says, "Hindi po ako nanloko ng tao, naitayo po ang negosyo ngunit hindi ito nagtagumpay. Lumalaban po ako at hindi tumatakbo palayo sa isinampang kaso sa akin. Mahigit 1 dekada kong pinaghirapan ng aking career at hindi dahil sa akusasyon ng iilan ang magtatapos ng napakagandang future na inilaan para sa akin ng Panginoon." Agad namang sinagot ng isa sa dating business partners ni Ken Chan na si Mark Wei ang post ng aktor. Through his IG story, Mark said the following, "Okay wait, ako naman magsasalita soon. Lakas mambaliktad, hindi malulugi kung sa negosyo napunta ang pera at hindi sa bulsa, LOL." Mark also questioned Ken's absence. Why hide and seek? Why may probable cause if nalugi? Hay, showbiz nga naman. Banta pa ni Mark, bukod sa syndicated estafa ay may iba pang mga kaso itong isasampa laban sa aktor. More filings are on the way. We won't stop until we find justice. Not just for me, but also for the employees who have suffered deeply. On a lighter note, ready for the battle na talaga ang ating pambato sa Miss Universe 2024 na si Chelsea Ann Manalo. Chelsea slayed and dominated the national costume competition wearing her Hiraya costume during the preliminary round. Chelsea explained that her national costume is a symbol of the far and profound history and relationship between the Philippines and Mexico. Thus, the use of an image of the Black Madonna, the Our Lady of Antipolo, one of the religious images brought to the Philippines through a galleon trade with Mexico, host country of the 2024 Miss Universe. Pagdating naman sa evening gown competition, Chelsea was in an ocean blue gown taking inspiration from the Philippine seas. The evening gown was the final part of the preliminaries. Her journey to claim the Philippines' 5th Miss Universe crown continues in the coronation night on November 17th, Philippine time. Good luck, Chelsea! That's it for our weekend roundup. Stay tuned for more because we are ready to give more with just one click. This has been Click It. Click Entertainment Today.